This is an 8-row repeat pattern using 8 threads. You could use 2 colours, but I've gone for a black outline colour and 4 different colours to create the flower. You can begin your pattern with your threads in this order. For row 1, you want to start with a backward knot. Then a forward backward knot. Then a backward forward knot. And then a forward knot. For row 2, you want to do 2 forward knots. And then a backward knot. For row 3, you want to do a forward backward knot, a backward forward knot, a forward backward knot, and a backward forward knot. For row 4, you want to do a backward knot, and then 2 forward knots. For row 5, you want to do a forward knot, a forward backward knot, a backward forward knot, and a backward knot. For row 6, you want to do a forward backward knot, a forward knot, and a backward forward knot. For row 7, you want to do a backward forward knot, and then another backward forward knot, and then 2 forward backward knots. For row 8, you want to do a forward backward knot, a forward knot, and then a backward forward knot. And once you've done these 8 rows, you want to go back to row 1 and keep repeating these 8 rows until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be.